Hey guys, so the last video I did was how to remove that door panel on my Audi A3. This weekend I went into work and I replaced the door Bowden cable for the inside door handle. Then I also removed the latch, and I go in depth how to replace that latch. So this video will be how to replace the latch and how to replace the door panel. The door cable. If you need the door panel video, I have that. I'll add a link to this one, so because you have to remove the door panel first, so I'll put a link there. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch that first, remove the door panel, and then get underneath and do the latch. Hey guys, today I'm going to go over how to take the Bowden cable off of the door latch. You can see that end had broken off here. Actually, the part from Audi was only $30, so I assume this is a problem that's pretty common. So I already took off this panel here. Essentially, it goes through here, you unclip the tabs, pull it off, and then you'll expose this piece here, and that's what we're going to be replacing. You have to take the whole latch out to do it. So looking in here, so the yellow piece goes to the right, and then the black piece lifts towards the right. Okay. So the next thing we are to do is to remove these guys. They are 8 triple squares. Here we go. So I took these off here. Yeah. So I'm going to take the 2 bolts out of the door here to remove the latch here. So we're just going to, I already have the bottom one out. And they're going to feel a little bit tight because there's glue Loctite on those. So now the latch is free. Then we're gonna go back on this side. I'm gonna stick my light in here. There's a plug on the bottom that we're gonna click and unplug. Then your latch in entirety should come out. I'm not gonna take it out of the door just because I'm only replacing this guy. So how to remove this is there's a little tab on the back here. So I'm gonna flip it down, pull. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, all the way up, and then pull it out. And then you see this guy here, turn, and we should get it out. So, fairly easy. I'm gonna put the new one in. Here is the whole piece that we're replacing. I'm gonna pull the latch towards me again, hold it there. You're gonna start with this piece, go up and down, turn up, so that's how you lock that in place. You're gonna pull this, start. There we go. I was trying to put it in the wrong spot. So the flat piece goes here, then you're gonna flip down, lock that in place. So once when you have this in, you're gonna plug it. Don't forget to plug it back in. One thing that's important, and I didn't mention in the video, is for the lock cylinder, it's a black plastic tab that you'll see sticking out inside the door panel. And then you need to slide it into the tan piece that I circled, and that's gonna be your lock cylinder. So make sure that black plastic piece lines up with that hole before you get the latch bolted in. So I'm going to tighten these bolts and then put the lock cylinder is already kind of in there all the way, and then I'm going to put the rod in for opening the outer door handle. So this isn't going to move on us. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the rod in here. There we go. I'm gonna put the rod in and then lock it in, and then this yellow tab is what keeps it all together. So then you'll see, if we go back in there, I'm gonna open the handle, and then you can see the rod move up and down. Can you see that? Okay, so everything is back together that way. It's always smart to check. So we're gonna close it like this and open, and you'll see that open. Close it like this. So you can see that open. So I'm gonna put the door panel back together. Thanks for watching.